on any team kutem ewo MCR ho meeting at the Ember Power. Special good morning and thanks and call Emma Omahine Yewedu Wache and the morning show team no so me kutem from anopane side besi samre about nonkono apa ho sema aduana 9:44 minutes after 9 o'clock. Yebe konkro phone close kwedi nkomo na yede ensama ifri wo ba transfer issues bebre yabo no yede ba don't forget the season no over from the EPL to La Liga we go into the French Liga, Italian Serie A. Ni nyina no abanawie yebe di nyina ho nkomo right here on this very show. Asida kese enko ema time heba mixture omukutem ana this show no eba wakwemo time say malaria fever na how I beto ase wenuma to untumi nidi wedro no aye time heba mixture general body pains e toda na ubody no anase nimpedua no aye hojo ye ho hwe wedro aye time heba mixture time heba mixture no ne capsules no eno so wedwama so eno na ye dura aba say ebeboa for your general well-being wa pom mudene be sipi esita e was set with time heba mixture no and some fata entrensa was say why arians wonom ubetuma anu mihyehyia grace e koba edro ne bisin chen ni secret and no time heba mixture 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 wo frɛ line so abejo so ɛyɛ gentleman dental ɛno ɛne bia yɛ nyina yɛkɔdi yɛsini oral hygiene no ɛyɛ important nimpa wo hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ wo dress no wanum nka enso ehuhia mesraw kɔ gentleman dental ne yɛmboa wo sɛ no sɛ tu ebu anasa pan wo pɛsɛ yɛnsini foforɔ mfama anasa sɛ ne keka wo pɛsɛ yɛntu ne yɛnsini foforɔ ma the difference teeth extraction and replacement ye ewo ya so ye crown ben upe gold and silver ni nyina ye be ya ma teeth whitening yama utsin ne color no ensesa anya fite ye be ya ma wodu ani kyerem Kumase Abrepo Junction you're behind the Total filling station Techima your magazine Continental na wodi kodwam wo ne ho ne wo Accra you 2 branches baako Atomic Down baako so Nungwa Koforidua ye adjacent to the police station Takoradi mumfoma nu enkyem wo pipe no traffic wa Tadisco Continental no so ho na behu ye frɛ yen wo line egu television no so no announce 0559 139582 0559 139582 wo friend line so ibejo so expert in sciatica Ghana han wiase nyina no obi ade atum enye ne yebo ye ho safo hene nemo mesewa da se eye Ghana na age atum eye ho na maba ya so ye ana mo age atum sa ampa expert in sciatica eye 21st clinic enye se na anu ada Kristo nam ewa Antioch wona amudi nachi wo musuban wo mubra ana Antiochfo no hunu sa ampa we mu de o mabrabo ese Kristo a mo fra mo Kristofo enti yen yen ene ye frɛ ho expert in sciatica ne mom wana maba ya so ye abeso ahwe no no magia tum sampa expert in sciatica a 21st clinic misraw West Pains how yade bia da so no yesa ne mom sciatica yade ne de obi ade atum se ya ben pa efiri wuto ase eri kokosi wunase intri na ho nse mu to twema eno ene ye friend sciatica untumi nsane ba bia to the 21st clinic Kumasi ehwa overseas junction ye ben Alpha Radio the same building as Sompa TV and Sompa FM yabo ye sisi wom eha ene ye nuanom so wo sanso no boase ye council quarters anase core junction Accra ye Odomi market wo sunyan nkransa ni techima eho nyina wudu a ubehu yen 0249 311 311 0249 311 anase kotikwan we nso besan so afre yen 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 3A co capsules and the cocoa master wodwama so cocoa huna osalutuno cocoa huna o try to present Mr. Cocoa na woni mojem anase fifiri nipadua nani be bia cocoa ni hye no edro no 3A co capsules numbi na mwa ne ntu haw ni nyina se emfamo na pomuden enso emra memma ni titru edro wei ebebo pa na bibia so etumi akoso kama edi amount 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 eno ena ya line a wo frɛ wo so na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na bibia nso atumi ayɛ kama heba shop bia wobɛnya aduro no bi nso atumi atɔ na watɔn betway bet influencer no ɛno ani sikapodu a krom ha boys no ɛde ayɛ rich mesraw wobɛnya sika ɛde abɔbra a wo mbrɛ ho koraa ɛyɛ betway bet influencer no betway bet influencer ɛyɛ betway fo na akɔfa de aba na na amu kan ɛyɛ very simple yɛse ɛnɛyi hyehyɛ bet wo hyehyɛ bet ni wie a na wo ne afoforo nso akyɛ wa hyehyɛ bet na wie no na wo ne afoforo nso akyɛ wo ne ɔmo kyɛ no na ɔmo so use course edi twa bet no mesraw na wunya sika nso wɔ so umpɛ wei na wopɛ deɛn betway na ɔse terms and conditions apply ɛyɛ regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet the responsible way. Yakwama no niaba Obapa Grace any team from MCR munso maye na yenda ye ho quick yeba yebekonko fonkro so na yakwa kudin komo na bibia nso no atumi aye kama enso ewo ho yakwama no niaba sesi ba John yen ewo Sompa 93.1 Sompa 93.1 ewo Facebook ne so na yenkomre at Obapa Grace mo fantastic job yentwa so na nsamo no ensa semra na bibia so ntumi nkoso Johnny Sompa 93.1 o Facebook na so na yendi nkomo te sadia yenua Joseph AJ Owusu yate wonka ho sanso and yenua Rahim aye ranking yate wonka Emil Smith what yate wonka ho no achi nana akwesi abra Charles wonso a Johnny Owusu ansa George wonso wo ho anya samketwa Pedro Martina Cruz Samson Ajanim Giovanni wonso a Johnny show na nanim Samson Douglas Costa bebia wo bia no go come on board Obapa Grace omatoto nyoma wientie betumako na yedin komo na bibia so no atumi ayakama me pato medical dia to anim say across major European leagues no yada bibia enso atumi abana wieye enanope no ye be ma resource ade ne bibre enso don't forget the Premier League no after 282 days no produce incredibly 1,115 goals in 380 matches and all a course so anti ananope no me babeti hu komo bebre enso adima yetie for right here on Sompa 93.1 again on Sompa television so emeye kasa edin komo ahodo bebre na enata die tenie Grace yen chance enfenfi Liverpool asroye na mendi nkomo kakra wonim sem ogura de ten ade Trent Alexander-Arnold enra na adeno akwakwaya reho esanse o free club no mako nkofo dinatem ni ade hwe video na eda Sompa television so but just after no ogura de Trent Alexander-Arnold to powerhouse him say I have never felt more loved and cared for than today. And no, aye, Oranity and so at the Trent Alexander-Arnold and some of the two channel Sam or started so upper football. On who is set for Dono as soon dear and no who ye I will Liverpool Bobo Quincy and no aye dear Coso and you go so I don't want some I would they may cheer for right here on Sompa 93.1. A female consum from me coach Chelsea couldn't come on. Way aye pure epitome of celebration of mediocrity. Chelsea for the anniversary. Chelsea qualify for Champions League. Football no qualify. Wamu kwa but enra. So their team as celebrate here. Grace Mami Chelsea were dressing room hall. Wamu celebrate semining komo kakra. Wamu celebrate simply because of say umanya kwenya ekobo UEFA Champions League. Wamu nje trophy bia pop champagne. Dia wo hwe was Sompa television no and aye dia course Chelsea Football Club say here and the yegu said in some out no ade bana bibia so no etumi ayakama enti Chelsea no dia na ekoso moje league anonso moje trophy nso a dia na mo beye na enu achi coach and the ade Enzo Maresca ade nsam kaka to powerhouse enim yente Maresca nsam no na yento sunko yenim
to share this moment with our fans. We are very happy to see so many fans, so many people that they are happy. We brought this club where this club has to be, that is in the best European competition, that is the Champions League, and we are very happy.
You mentioned the fans. It was such a special moment at full time for the players to go straight over to share that with them, wasn't it?
Yeah, fantastic, and especially for the players, they deserve. You cannot imagine the effort from them since day one, you know, to understand different way to play, to be aggressive on the ball, off the ball. I think they have been top, and they deserve to share this moment with the fans.
It was always going to be a tense, difficult afternoon here at the City Ground. How important was the game management today?
City lost here.
Inti eno aye Chelsea balls and the Enzo Maresca in sama or the atu edwa eno wutie aye tape no ekwachire anase wutie openi no sama ekwachire edumri bi oyusu F word e man aye supporters oyusu F word e de man nsam trefo mo amuka nsam bebre e de fa Chelsea Football Club ho no enti edumri bi na answer coach ne buafu apala etoto nsam ahodo de ba eno aye de course Chelsea Football Club aseye na no pay don't want some ahoto ba na bibia nso atuma koso ba dodo na eka so we a celebration of mediocrity and aye so many so fu up no now men cross up enko Juve enko din komo kakra we tira bonten so mam ogura ne din ade Diego aye Moreira mam ne picture no Sompa TV na men din komo kakra Juve enso I establish contact with boy ya friends aye we Diego aye Moreira no and they o ma contact no o ma start tin komo or your player player muchidi from Belgium so ba betuma boa club no na bibia so etuma ye kama. This is a reporter this morning Menseka all the way from the Bianconeri me the black and white a football club over Italy, the old ladies of Italian soccer, and also someone now mam ograni tadi Manuel a Locatelli naminti ni hun komo Locatelli akasa adiafa Juve football club or see I congratulated all the players. We are top. In fact, uche ograni tadi Manuel Locatelli o jiri se team no gomambo mu matene but the tail end of the season, Juve eya dia pa, and no na ye positive or sa club no, and so to me fa, or say during the season we made some mistake. Mr. Igor Tudor gave us a hand, bringing enthusiasm. Penalty. I am the captain. It was right that I took the responsibility. And no, I am Manuel Locatelli in summer or the two Ejano. And to baby, I'm finish yano. Moon to be emblem coacher. Your friends are Igor Tudor. Moon to be emblem coacher. Your friends are Thiago Ayamota. Or this season, or Sassia, or so, or no being the captain. Waji responsibility no. Waji Bibia and some intermediate also. Now, when you say I go to the Payano, or born 9 games, or lose just 1. Or draw 3, or winning 5. Fantastic performance from coach, but still reporter means second year, and it's a coach in Juve Bejana Kwamanako. Juve a qualified for Champions League. One more manager with huge experience. And to me, and we are reporting Biana Swapa. I go to the Akasabe break, coach, or then some Atuja at their funny future, or see my future will be decided before the club World Cup. It will not be serious for me or for anyone else to go to the World Cup with an unconfirmed coach and no a coach in summer or the atu ejano and to someone beto so anymore ya mon confirm famano so no na to so ye adwuma no mamo nya madwen so mo de ne ko a FIFA club World Cup na ba ansana ma ba be hwe so mo de ne beto so announce a new manager e ba be fa Juve adwuma no so tomaye and I go to don summer or the two channel no or say we deserve the Champions League, which was the objective for which I arrive. Juve obefa adwuma no na wo man task so nkonkoje scudetto and now say Italian Serie A they amode two na enemy so omwa Juve no mutumi qualify for Champions League. It was huge that time no but wetuma yedwuma adama Juventus Football Club and they Juve enso koba eye UEFA Champions League be now season and no ayen so many so total no mam goalkeeper your friend said Di Gregorio mam the picture was so good. The ocean was Sompa TV national, and also my way. Goalkeeper no, also Sompa on offer platform so Akadia Cheria and it's a Juventus Football Club this season. Oh man, Juve dear, I was some pray for titles and your Champions League. Oh qualify for Champions League alone, and you're enough. And your goalkeeper in summer, or the two Ejano, or did this next season, and your Mabetani will make them attend things around. Let me be some to Marco so come and no iron summer and swapper. This morning you go straight in summer. I take my tier for Afimam player friends and Nicolo. I have Fagioli, Mamma the picture no our Sompa TV and in Facebook and so na home come so said the airban say I was so Juve ebenye sika Juve benye cash from this player esan say womotono ema no call club efensa Fiorentina no contract nation so to me boa club no ema mu kwa Europa e 13.5 and no and a sika I was a carbon sutia at the team Juve 13.5 million euros into the Juve and so ebenya sarcasano simply because of so we wabuatima your friends of Fiorentina more qualified call UEFA Conference League ko second next season and no yan so toja this morning you go said in some out on adepa na bibian so atum ayakama afi mami letters on Tijani Renders near Man City official bid ekokodu enei made it too many say 50 million euros officially Manchester City are bidding for this boy Oba Ababeshese Ometumenya no Emanaba Beshakan and so to media club no when him say it was reported in the media say between 40 to 45 million euros and this bonusana say no no credit said ya tuto spom a report we Italy India not just per report I mean second no not just team and it at the Man City kono wamun konko din komo wamun kasa godo adabraka zamana madwa nya no bi no mokoye wamun ko outright no makwa kotono ema boy no so to maba Beshakan at the Edema Club and no ayan so many sweatoja and yashe nay opinion the tar igly announce igly tar on your sporting director Edema AC Milano say ejuma edikanie yase on train aye coach na as eduma no kakra na eney on concentrate on this boy kwan ben no be first war around the player no we making sure say AC Milan lose this key player Obeke Filippo di 2 yenim ananwata say AC Milan team na ho nyina omo best player nie enti woton wo subo form ale kwa obepre next season eno ayansoma ne so totwa eno ten egusua de wonsum awoto de me yetie for right here on Sompa 93.1 me that's why itila bonten so Italy stories no me as many as 20 stories all the way from Italy me nko me that's why AC my coach friend Sergio Conceição picture na mindinu hu komo kakra na the meeting say Conceição will say goodbye to Milan in the next few days according to La Gazzetta dello Sport and no I go Itila Bontenso report amodi this morning no say coach we bye obe catch team in and chakra I tell you by the close of this week and I say we be you into the beginning of June no na obetense AC and the coach we atun kwanta pai the set for new manager no is on now when him said the tennis say nay AC Milan eje coach no kwan a wo mu ntweka preba emfama Sergio Conceição esanse contract amo sign no ese contract when him say contract in the bewu June 30 2026 and a sa contract in the bewu but our clause as a contract no mo say kodum pempen so bi na ase wo mani nje performance no and also bibi koso obi eni nje ho a mutually on bet apart ways na bibi aso to my kama eno ayansama ne so totwa and that dey guso eden soma wuton ede pa na bibi aso to my kama mam owura ne mami nkofa La Gazzetta dello Sport front page good newspaper we anopay Filippo kind na yanko the tennis Don Fabio Capello atubi adiama club no or ka tete or saying it seems to me that things are bit up in the air. I read about Allegri who now seem closer to Napoli in case Conte goes to Juventus than about Italiano who however could stay in Bologna. The truth from the outside I don't see anything but clear there was no clear idea and no the coach and the thing at the Don Fabio Capello opening somebody to channel and to AC Milan club number 1 also we are confused about the whole thing team from outside who a direction a team so take who a kwanya team and so for next season from outside way to a bontenso obete so mu kofa coach way to say the powerhouse go so your stories in the bano obete yes AC e kofa coach way obete yes Omba and some be brain so team no any clear ideas but most follow for next season and Fabio Capello and summer or there two powerhouse no Lewandowski say ce n'est pas problème Sompa went to manage petit no and hano nemom die here and it's to my friends of Barca at La Liga and then the most important one I think that was very important and JD said another resource I'm to me recording against Bilbao an important resource and so to me the more and yes sankan crofobeka sam gomo agile league na wienti I so mu serious and no yan so many say fu otoja and na opening now enough and so ho memra UK Manchester club no me memedin komo latest on Mateus Cunha and so enie deal no aye done or sign until June 2030 with an option so 2031 and the Prince I have 5 years and Mateus Cunha signed a demo club no medical dia 20 Manchester and Codiano they just triggered the release clause 62.5 million euros million pounds no wamu koi and wamu trigger release clause no waman kon Codiano kra and they play away from Wolverhampton Wanderers or joining Manchester United deal no are done and no ayan somane so epa and na anopen no afi momam latest on Florent Vit and so aseye na mintin komo kakra and fanfa Florent Vit on also the every mu etotwanie and sir Prince wouldn't say yes nkrofo na ye o madwen san kom be fan for the purchase of this player and ank every direct from club your friends are buying accounts and omodi kwakoto no and let's take that and sikano nda ho so sika we eda ho be 100 million euros and ke de kofa Florent Vit enti sa Florian Vita ma yɛmfa saa sika no ɛnkɔnkɔfa another player report mean second no enti sa 100 million euros ɛnyɛ sika Bayern for obi anasa nkrofo bi na nkomo yɛ so mo tɔ no ɛdna break club no enti sika no nda hɔ saa na obi akɔka sɛ ene Florian Vita ma yan spend sa sika no ɛmfa nkonkoto another player ɛmfa mra sɛ dia mean second ye and so Bayern one more chance that these players ebi beko no matter raise cash at the air transfer and so medical account ya chose Serge Gnabry ne din aba Bontain Leon Goretzka ne din aba Bontain Kim Min-jae Pahinha also din by Rafael Guerrero and Kingsley Coman but interestingly you see players we mono apart from Kim Min-jae onobeko free Obien who were ready so ono so eko amateur club atumanya sika e de afrim wonim said team iPhone Sapan Jonathan Tah and Tom aye big soft no medical akomo some adiacho already and no aye ban boboko no de afri o maso yensu etodwa and no pen am guso me de won some ahoto no e de ban bi bia so tuma kama Liverpool first official bid for Florian Wirtz eko ebro 100 million euros dameten no o man yes specific and from our powerhouse but a more than 100 million euros and no a damin second you see Leverkusen for no woman kasa omu fa bin kan omu jatuma ne sa omu guso omu study document and no anajo and a sa document no from the camp of Liverpool and Kokotu Bay Arena by all for Leverkusen and so ya almost guso ya analysis of the everyone so a total net you go shedding samano at the pandemic so to me ayakama afimin ko Inter Milan womo and omo UEFA Champions League Chelsea muni baby akọ mesau Filippo mufri match Arsenal yebo ehumodin kakra ba esefrim finals no e ba so we anopeya and Inter Milan X and so way at the tour a simple. The most important week of the season begins today. One match, one dream, one mission. And no, Inter Milan. The Amodiaba Abonten no, and the season games are more no important week no a week way and who here a better San Inter Milan you're successful this season and also man your success and you know a basset one more their fans Champions League one more better than a Napoli one more better than any team our Europe Abonten so Barcelona to man as someone and to me the most important week in here and not a Inter Milan on X the amateur their tour and now you go share the one sama hotono at me tie forward so Sir Prince now interfono at the statement way about 5 minutes ago and almost started some communicating at the ama team supporters particularly woman bedu machi ako Allianz Arena our Germany 5 days to go statement in the baby nie woman saying Omo Kachramo say the meeting point for Inter fans in Munchen will be in the Odeon Plus, a square in the city center. Fans meeting point will be open from 11 o'clock into a statement omodiaba and na anope and so and no and almost throughout the day Inter will offer a rich entertainment program to warm up the atmosphere with live music projection on a big screen and more. Enti wamobaya sadi we edi about supporters no. Enti exactly 11 na supporters no bi obeko bibia no na machiem e wosa area ho e ho na me meeting point. Enti se mu free ho na ma mobeko stadium no na mo so etuma to as good. Grace ma dia odi atoso no manenda so ho ama mesesie yi. Wamo se bags larger than A4 size will not be allowed into the stadium. And in mana kromha and 1 week before or maybe 1 week in no ma a bag and or 2 good studio hemka as a force bill. Me so and they almost so bag no ni wait no and also the casino a bro A4 won't be from stadium and you drew no probina channel. 2, you will be allowed to bring a small power bank no bigger than your smartphone and cover generator be as your power bank not with the stadium and they will share some party in this way a directive from team Inter Milan to all the supporters and I do come and so and running to yen to me do come over yen to me canina but would Johnny almost say 5 days to go ɛno ɛyɛ de agu so a wohwɛ live on Sompa 93.1 afi me ntoa so me call Liverpool mutim no mo gimani Premier League ni e some the Champions League kan wa anka mo ba ha dwen anadwomu ni nyina no me te so Liverpool e party ye Liverpool ɛyɛ tete omo celebration kakra omo gi omo ni enede omo so mbesa so to aso enti pictures na wo show Sompa TV no we ɛyɛ reported live from Center Hotel and then the Municipal Hotel ɛyɛ hotel mienu akasia Liverpool kromo and Liverpool team and so ko party ye medical dia to anim se ena ayam 14:30 British summer time na just 2:30 Ghana time no na just on start a victory parade no na bibia so atum aye kama eno aye de Liverpool club no so ye etotwe ena no pay egu so ye de ensama hoto ni na edem ye tie for live on Sompa 93.1 wonim say about best 10 minutes ago official statement from the camp of Madrid Abba just omu confirm Xabi Alonso and so appointment in Grace minim so betumi amame anopano video na me de ma on Don Carlo Ancelotti na rival Brazil how supporters etudi nechi te sha Ghana jama dinechi chese enya sam ketokro penino and so ekwekodu enti coach merry-go round no egusu ekoso good we ye Don Carlo Ancelotti ni okodu Brazil or start adwuma no this week ya esanse adajeni hokra penina kwekodu anopa me de to anim say every Ten Hag and so ye adwuma sa na abrabote obi jaya na obi anya bia he enti Alonso every Leverkusen Eko Madrid wamra Ancelotti enso free hono Eko Brazil and Eric Ten Hag and Suko Bay Arena ekwenye dwuma a ono so kwakweye na bibia so atumi aye kama ye wrap up on foreign aye news no me fan to anim se anopa no be ye stories kakra edema Erifa CAF Champions League me be ye stories Erifa CAF Confederation Cup Grace minim so betuma akobak afa sa video no edema mame CAF good Champions League ni na ye game na enika enyasam ketokra game no epai me Melody Sundowns wo na ball game do na no but last minute and just pyramid and so enya the equalizer and non ayete call so just anope ye baba kan some do na no de ema yete for life on Sompa 93.1 the part of Grace afi yen share Confederation Cup and also good trophy no and woma lift no enti Berkan and they womo and they are champions of the Confederation Cup 2020 womo gi this womo na so 2022 womo sanso J 2025 womo sanso J interestingly last 5 years Africa ina Confederation no but last 5 years womo nko age 3 interesting and no de eba this morning you don't some out no e ba na bibia so etuma ye kama don't forget so be ko betway na wakwekotwa bet ne kakra utwa bia obenya sika na untwa kra na wo de hye bet no wo hye na wo course no woni afoforo ache woni o mo che na wo mu use editwa no na wo su unya cash umpawei na opedian wonno ma wonsam nya den me so unkopagya ne bia ma wo kwa chikase no yenka ncho so wonya spondylosis wo chikase ho atochema ne ade me so and once also them now she na afi uche Grace mu awe cash ne Philip nyasam ketwa boy no sika won ho ni nyina ye betway na betway bet influencer and to she sha ukos no na oni afofra che wo mu use wo 4% of their matwa no e betway and register sika no enso e their more terms and conditions apply regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet that responsible way and also ehun enkomano no just toothpaste e wadwama so a portion won waso no twu say popo so ho wo no pepa ho na enya kama wo so wo sen aye white wo so wanum nka enso ye nika sade e be ya nimpa enso betumande anije aba wo nchen obi hira wa no waba mo kama enya sa odinachire na afi na otoma no e ba no sa na cheko ho mesro sa wanum pampa no enkwa yi a obien wo benya kukudro etuma kacho nti wankasa ya analysis na afi hwe ne to na Moses ye just toothpaste ana wo de tuturu wusia sa haw ni nyina no ase betu just say your 3 a variant baako a red ebi a blue yasanso wo green one ni nyina elboa na bibia so atumi aye kama don't forget some brushes no enso your hard one and the yasanso ewo their friends soft one no memremre kama na wo dia fouls na so na bibia so atuma koso entwa wo gam ni mu anasa wo sie chinam enkotwetwem enkofekuro emfamrewo eno ho nsam no Donek herbal mixture adeɛ wei memeyɛ theory na yɛfrɛ sɛn Filippo ɛnso ayɛ practical Filippo nko a akɔ aba biribiara bɛkɔ deɛ biribiara fine okay where no near Donek Herbal mixer okay enti eno nsɛm no Donek no ɛyɛ dura ɛno na aba ɛba bɛboa woyɛ bɛma ɛbɛboa mo nya hoden ɛde ɛyɛ adwuma dendin bia sɛ woyɛ mesuni sɛ woyɛ adwuma bɛn na woyɛ ɛden wo bra ɛduro no Donek Herbal mixer ɛyɛ Donek Herbal mixer nya no nko bonus ɛsan so wom ɛsan sɛ yɛ doping substance a yɛmba ne yɛ wada ɛne ne asɛm bia ɛyɛ dudo ɛne yɛde ayɛ 20 kraman bibi ɛne saa wei ni nyina ane akeka bom a yɛde ayɛ dura yɛfrɛ sɛ Donek Herbal mixer unum bia premature ejaculation ɛtu aseɛ erectile dysfunction ɛtu aseɛ boost your immune system ɛboa mo wadwene ankasa wodwene esi so improve your brain function sanso waist pains when it to nkwanta mapai mesɛ wada sɛ improve your blood circulation bɛma wodu anadwo a wogye nso bebree ɛhaw ne nyina no nom Donek Herbal mixture Donek Herbal mixture na bibia ɛnyɛ fine ɛmfama wo Fredman's Herbal Misty Herbal Oson's Chemist any herbal shop bia pharmacy shop bia enkran Kumasi be bia no ka se edro wei na opɛ Donek Herbal mixture 0246 727 677 0246 727 677 ɛno ɛna yɛ line abediafo ahobrase ɛne obuo kwan so mema akwa that Apostle General himself atranse Sir Prince atranse and of course the one and only Philip Nkumsa also atranse again akwaba
yeah you have a call
nakupado
and the prince now is second to respond na
so who director darling boy yanko Sir Prince yanko
powers yango mu straight away na since na masa de ne La Liga 11 neighbor isi na mi hu
okay
ma push ma Grace na aya on fanto so ma ne nhwa de
na yewurem kakra
powers esru masa omo de asem about so we this La Liga NDA ya we there just by the way La Liga NDA ya we are the best center backs La Liga nim no Barcelona center back bi no ha be fan
Pau Kubasinim
Inigo Martinez nim
okay
omo fa legend from Royal Vallecano and on fa Danny Vivien from Athletic Bilbao na we mean say na asem na omo pe and no grade grade the atoso no
about a platform
and make asem na omo pe keke because very obvious this particular season one of the best center backs in the whole world not just in the La Liga Pau Kubasi should be among even to a larger extent Inigo Martinez performance on the na definitely as Unya mentioned so I don't know why Omafa and I'm making almost
but so Omaya idea so the Barca 4-3 crab
I don't know my idea
no so mono so winning baby amu free back
oh yeah I understand and I make us almost per asem keke because Massa do be say pro Madrid so just by the way
okay
we mean say when the raw one comes in defense no Barcelona will definitely get at least one or two be in the defense so
okay
just by the way now moment tackle this issue stories now we're talking about Chelsea almost celebrating mediocrity you see Paris this is one particular thing maka ho asem ofia say bebre their teams it seems like they've fallen off their glory omonim almost standards BMCC and Chelsea is one of them Chelsea are one of those teams lose the touch of where they used to be because Chelsea isn't a team Obeka say we qualified for UEFA Champions League look at the kind of celebrations from the pitch to the coach's interview to the dressing room to the extent that Todd Bowley the main man for the team ETC Park so huggy players as if they've won some major trophy these things we only see say club owners no ETC Park so abra the club not a major trophy because you wouldn't see this thing from Obi to say Florentino Perez one Laporta you wouldn't be seeing this thing from them
so I qualify for Champions League
not was see Park so bamuni players no you wouldn't be seeing it until America says some clubs have fallen off their glory or more Lucy or more touch of where they used to be and Chelsea is one
but who share baby are no more
and
then before the season
2 seasons near Chelsea are bread it is very true but you see this particular season Chelsea coming into the air season spent over 400 to be specific 409 million euros Chelsea spent. Grace Benya winning the Atoso de Amaya. Chelsea expenditure coming into this particular season, almost spending over 400 million euros. Just coming into this season, no. Almost to be to say Pedro Neto 60. I'm just me Boba Faso keke. Pedro Neto by Joao Felix by 52. Kenan Dewsbury Hall 35. Philip Jorgensen 24. Omar Kellerman 22. Mike Penn. Once Mike Penn, Chelsea fans need to be going him to your player. Chelsea bought him 22 million. You get Ara and Semino 16. Matis Amugu 15. Renato Vega 14. Carles Willi. Obabo boy na less ne that's if you go through, you will see what I'm talking about. Chelsea made this expenditure in just one transfer window. So coming into the season, definitely Obianim say, hey, yeah, you need to perform. You don't just spend huge sums of money. Say, baby, now we're changing. We spend here at least getting into the Champions League sport. Should call for a celebration. No, Chelsea is far beyond that. Chelsea is far beyond this kind of things. And to the extent that coach Nekasaya mo use the F word to people or who say na Chelsea money nkwaye. Come on, below the belt. Below the belt. Some years now, I say Chelsea are quite achievable. Because Roman Abramovich time, you wouldn't qualify for the UEFA Champions League. And maintenant Mekasa same way say or more doubting on using the F word on them. No. Abramovich will too much nephew and him to let him out or you don't deserve to be a part of the club. Because we have bigger ambitions. Yeah, sure, Aston Villa coming into this season. So, Monana Chelsea no or more compete here. Let's ask ourselves, Aston Villa and Newcastle, especially Newcastle. Look at the performance of them this season. They've ended their 52 years, right? 52-year trophy drought. Ending this season. And look at the performance of them. She players or Tom. Coming into this season,
Newcastle,
yes, one spending over 70 million in this season. Listen to this one spending over 70 million this season. Otto Luis Hall from Chelsea 33. Otto Odysseus Vlachodimos. And Otto Abranti friend William Osler, Lloyd Kelly Muka do Onyomu free or John Rudy Onyomu free. And the 3 players no motoeno. 2 of them are integral part of the team. So I William Osler most of the time go free bench. Ebe make sure so there's some impact Babeka team no. Those are your starter 21 years spent already. Now, one of the best left backs in the English Premier League this season. Luis Hall ends me more all the games. But whenever you are mentioning the best left back, Nidi won't be telling you the impactor Onyaye. But unlike Chelsea, Okaka say Rebecca said 2 years ago, no almost struggle for relegation here. No, you don't struggle for Champions League rather. You don't struggle for Champions League and then make this kind of inclusion. This year the end of let's not forget last 2 years and Omokofa Kai said Enzo Fernandez more with him source of money do mobile no. Let's not forget that Renato Sanchez we don't conform mobile. So we are making it look as if such as Chelsea are just a mediocre club. Baby and it is calling for celebration.
But
very bad.
When who you be question your friend saying message you are about Facebook and so or just say but Chelsea are bread baby are move free mobano and it's a celebrity.
Oh yeah, well understood. It's an American Metias here. But then you shouldn't make it look as if one head is see Obia one should be until they make to the extent the owner of the club comes to the pitch hugging players. Na Champions League you get the point I'm making here. So it is they exaggerated it too much. Now, Maminko Juventus, na this issue in chatwo. Juventus there and once I will be question be. Are Juventus being fair with Igo Tudor? You see, he came almost to the end of the season and not Thiago Motta and Yama Diego Diaman with Juventus. They were struggling to have a win. Right after Omone Fiorentina show mo 3-1 on Muja Papanakwine. And I go to the bet take over. About 9 games no win 5 able draw 3 lose 1. He has qualified them to the UEFA Champions League. But just like I was speaking about Chelsea, Juventus has realized that they are far beyond just qualifying for the UEFA Champions League. They need to win the ultimate. What did they do? They are sacking a coach, and I said they are letting go of a coach. What do you mean they are not qualified? Even on I don't know what shorter time. Just 9 games or they were about done season in the moment. And you share and acquire something extraordinary for the team. But yet they are letting him go. Bringing in someone, or a league specialist, or a trophy winner, a serial winner. So can they say on your trophy? The moment he comes to your team, he makes sure to win. Even with Napoli, what do you mean the Omar is Scudetto? This is what a bigger club should be doing. And it's already this issue. It relates to Chelsea, Diano. Juventus just 9 games for a coach. Wabesi some more entire season. The Oma qualify for Champions League, yet they are letting him go. Going in for a coach or winning so Oyedenya or Bar League or the Ombeje. And let's not forget, time Omoko Casiopoli Neba and this Antonio Conte or Shasia with them or more Shasia, and come back to their glory days and more Shasia trophy. So they know what they want, they know the kind of standard on person creating more, and I feel very good for them. Though I got to do just like you are saying, people will be feeling so much fair to him. But if you know the standard of your club, you know, say Juventus are making a very good decision on letting go of Igo Tudor and bringing Antonio Conte. Now, the last one, ASR issue. I've been saying it here. The Ballon d'Or. Decision making I thing. But on some say with the eye test and what we witnessed watching the game, no, everyone will clearly see say Lami Yaman Rafinha mo ben title no. Ousmane Dembele mo ben title no because of the Omoyen this season na yehu bi. Kylian Mbappe has been, should I use the word, under the shadows of the Ballon d'Or this particular air season. But Adeba ko obi answer nsuniye. So all the numbers he is creating for himself in the debut season, let's not forget, in the debut season near at the biggest club in the world, where debatable. Me in fact debatable. The biggest club in the world. He comes to that club. They were already faces. I know BNM said they are the faces of the club. They are the ones that among them Tekema club neteke. Vini wohono Jubelen hamo horo dugomo. A lot of players omo on ma Thibaut Courtois muna. They call the shots for the club. He comes to the club the first season. We're making 43 goals, 5 assists.
Obaya associate crowd your name fa.
I'm for be right off.
It can't video be as a dressing room so soon.
Yeah, there were people any little reaction be baby and not omo me reading meanings into it. And right now, looking at the numbers of Omeki, and let's not forget there are some games that are standing out tall more than Vini, Mbappe, Jubelen Hamoni, Rodrigo Muni now. Let's not forget that most of the games, and even if you go to the La Liga, player man of the match can say, "Hey, Abranti, friend, Kylian Mbappe Lutin." He won over 10. I think that's specifically 15 man MVPs in Kwano J. Niabo Rafinha Mabaso, Yabola Miyama Mabaso, or Munyo be and one more do 10 impo. So it tells you the kind of contribution on Yaye, despite the fact that the first set of the game, the Obeka or Massive no. But I feel say, let's not forget the numbers will make it, and already we're making a name for himself, even when now Ronaldo ne Messi more hono, the Ballon d'Or is FIFA best no. You build yourself, and we're building what war. It's any little team your baby, it pushes him to the extreme. And let's not forget, France, UEFA Nations League ne Basu. We seem to forget Omni Spain a bubble semi-final, not Germany in Portugal, but the moment he wins it, believe you me, Club World Cup so the name or the ball. In Mbappe, we shouldn't be writing him off. Just like I said, in the face of the game, Nadia, Lami Yama born
Filippo Bre, but on say Sa Ballon d'Or dear, M1 say Bubudina, so na Yemfamu Saladim and Batabata. Because Premier League in I say best player, I don't know. Premier League this season, on the Mo Salah and Ra Awosi Waje3 playmaker of the year, unprecedented. They've been seen that.
Playmaker, no, which them one. I'll be your assist to do.
Okay.
I will no more
been seen that. Was also finished as the top scorer, and he's the overall best player in the Premier League. Well, it's just unfortunate. Say, I'm funny. Didn't tally Ballon d'Or. Filippo, Yankwe.
Let's start off with Team Liverpool. And finally, Liverpool won their 20th Premier League title. And in winning the Premier League 20th Premier League title, what really happened at Anfield? And I say the commentators were like, Liverpool are finally back to their perch. And where they see what Anfield and Rana, Virgil van Dijk, the first Dutch player, and again the first Dutch captain, our left say Premier League title, for a Premier League team. So it was unprecedented. They been see that for Team Liverpool. But that is title celebrations now, and some are about Liverpool, and they say the proponent from the Arne Slot, the coach of Liverpool. On per se a man of 3 years contract extension. Earlier no replacing Jurgen Klopp. Now Bebrena believe say shoes no esun to replace the German charismatic manager in the person of Jurgen Klopp. So in replacing Jurgen Klopp how would he fare? Ebeko saying and after winning the trophy in an interview Bisana say no Gidi say obeje Premier League in this season or say the answer or the mind say na Ogidi but no science Njindi. So he gave 2 answers at the same time. And the reason I don't believe he say non Njindi say Premier League no competitive nature. Now the reason why I saw no Giddy say Jurgen Klopp ejano a very good team. Ono anenu mu asem enya me na maker. Or say Jurgen Klopp left team and I say players that no Liverpool no they were top players and players now Jurgen Klopp ejama no I think and also Buano in the course of him winning the Premier League. And as a stance look at the signings as I say what start say here. Season in Enshas here and Liverpool are already at advantage to coming that is Yebeko next season. Believe you me, Man City are going to play the FIFA Club World Cup June and FIFA Club World Cup no permanent prince in Komobi. Our players will be prepare. Say no players no already this season I say rest to be and shada ni wasao. Yeah, kobo FIFA Club World Cup. Omo kobo UEFA Nations League, kobo Nations League. Yeah, we have season start in August. And that date you're saying aka 82 days, you started the next Premier League season. And now exactly 82 days. Now you started a new Premier League season. That is 2025-2026 Premier League season. And Liverpool manager Anslaw says they are all year on a Michael Edwards mo say they've already started signing players. Meno in him say Jeremy Frimpong is done. Says Melos Kerkes about 96% done. Says the next player Florian Wirtz says the green goal Abba and the next tenor or more left center back. Player Van Dijk in New will replace Van Dijk. And again, they will look at number 9. And players somewhere likely to leave Liverpool. Brent here friend Wataru Endo. Says only future at Liverpool. Darwin Nunez, only future at Liverpool. Another player, only future. Kostas Tsimikas, the Greek scouts, and also in the future at Liverpool. These are all players definitely season barrier on the free team Liverpool. But then there is a lifeline for Andy Robertson. The fact that he's aging, he's a vintage. The more now own, I feel not one the best of football, according to that is the insiders at Anfield. Now Kevin De Bruyne. Won a final game at the Etihad. Na ya reho. After say a real match, ya pon game no cry na oko gritty fans no. Na fans ni soon adaya Ken Kev finally leaves Etihad and it was na ya reho. Me cry na me TV chira me hwe no na me ra ho pa because he's a quality ya be missing the Premier League. And then Wuka Ken Kev in terms of Adia Ken Kev enemy Japan say he's a good passer of the ball. And again the field vision how many players now what's our vision na Ken Kev and Kevin De Bruyne is leaving the Premier League. And the team ye muti so be joining a team leave that is Napoli. Earlier there was Liverpool in the picture, but he wouldn't go to Liverpool because of the legendary status at Team Man City. Menu in him say you see mural, you see a statue, Kevin De Bruyne. And that statue now man for be worship, So call Liverpool or be saying legendary status, So now, say already the Laurentiis, the chairman or president of Napoli, everything. He's moving heaven or earth. Send Sabeka Brent your friend Kevin De Bruyne. Now Kevin De Bruyne joining Team Napoli. But then Napoli so on a financial fair play national. The reason is that they have to sell before they can buy. And before they will sell, they have to let go one of their top players and play and then Yemuti say Betono, Andre Zambo Frank Anguissa, the boy from Cameroon. Honestly saying they consider say definitely you better Andre Zambo Anguissa na you pave way for King Kev. No I bet joining that is the Neapolitans this time around. So that is the news coming through. Now in the Champions League, who say the whole of Europe the aka the Conference League and the Champions League. But the weekend this year about Champions League close the chapter of women's football. Yeah. Arsenal Football Club. A shock we are singing now. The best team in the world currently is Barcelona. The best team, Madiano. The best team in the world currently is Barcelona. But once in a two Arsenal say, Arsenal started season with James Ideval. James Ideval was the coach of the Arsenal a female team. But then when we bought Champions League, we see 5-2, Emma Bayern Munich. Now Arsenal supporters now say, "Papa, we yam pam no anyade." Into when we pam James Ideval, you better replace René Slegers. René Slegers, a former defender for the Dutch national team, on be replace Jonas Ideval. And Bayern one master stroke was bringing Mariona Caldente from Barcelona. And Mariona Caldente, and then the attachment to players which says Stina Blackstenius now bought team Arsenal. And no wonder Stina Blackstenius now shared a crucial goal at my team Arsenal. Arsenal share Barcelona by a goal to 0. Oh, they said they are the European champions. As some way I walk here, I beg, me person my fine. And no crepa, you walk here, but me person, but no crepa, let me tell, but let me talk as a connoisseur. You know what? Barcelona were aiming and thinking, say, on the first set, no be share Lyon in the final. Lyon by Emirates. Lyon by Emirates. Ebe share Arsenal. In the return leg now, Arsenal call Stade Jolon in France. No, Oman dream crash. Lyon and dreams Arsenal between me say party. No, Arsenal was shared by 4-1. And when Arsenal share Lyon by 4-1, no, Barcelona say what here Salma Pararuelo, Eva Pajo, Claudia Pina. Now what here that is this girl Aitana Bonmatia. They were always an extreme there. Edidio Mutsim. Anyone in the finals of the Champions League, Arsenal Football Club. And the last time Arsenal winning Champions League was 07-08. It was the then UEFA Cup. That is, but then no, any feminine into Madian and one still in the year twice no. Into Arsenal, Maji paying. They were once upon a time winners of the Champions League. Then they almost budget the Champions League, you know. But for credits to this coach, that is Rennie Slegers. So we changed the contest, and then you know, coming in bet it Monday minim semi bets now a praise Barcelona because the season and the review. Now they are not Barcelona a tiny say. When say Barcelona a 120 goal barrier in the league alone. Barcelona so much shower. So a show 5 grand what than Yamiasi. But you know, 1 goal per Arsenal Football Club say, and it was scored by the Swede Stina Blackstenius. But me and so we follow women's football from the early 90s, from the 90 to 92 Urbano. You kind of founding mothers of women's football, China, Norway, answer US, before Sweden. Into Sweden no me and Sweden produce one coach extraordinaire o shape the face of women's football your friend Pierre Sundage and Pierre Sundage when are going go store for Brazil no Brazil appointing and say on driver Brazil to the glory or call Brazil went to me anye but then he on lead the US be a world powerhouse. Into Stina Blackstenius played under Pierre Sundag for the Dutch, the Swedish national team. Now, season now, Europe ni na extraordinary. Maybe there is a team in Belgium. Your friend Union Saint-Gilloise. The team is a French name. It's why you have Saint-Gilloise. Union Saint-Gilloise. French.
Grace, me the sign team is qualified for Champions League or Europe.
Yeah, now Union Saint-Gilloise. Say more Champions League. But the last time Union Saint-Gilloise edged the Belgian League in 1935. So in 90 years, Union Saint-Gilloise edged the Belgian League in 90 years, they've won the Belgian League. That is Union Saint-Gilloise. Now, this season, so what season no critically, a lot of that is in we least expected this year. Bologna won the Coppa Italia. Now Crystal Palace won the FA Cup in England. And Crystal Palace in their history 120 years omonji a major trophy paying. And they Crystal Palace bought the Europa League. The major honor in their amulets. And guess what? It is the manager from Oliver Glasner. The major honor in winning the FA Cup. Another one in Newcastle United. Winning the Carabao. The last time Newcastle won a major trophy or honor was 70 years ago. Now Newcastle United a major trophy and they won the Carabao Cup beating the English champions in Team Liverpool. And the last one was Enra VfB Stuttgart on Saturday. Now Prince Kanye cre onya Arminia Bielefeld na boy Bielefeld stress on we 30 year on we bibia but it was too late.
Okay.
Yeah no na VfB Stuttgart so have been crowned the winners of the DFB Pokal. So this season, no, you build DFB that is a Pokal winner Stuttgart. So on also called Europa. That is the UEFA Europa League.
Okay, may I say no? Philip Nkumusa and I what in can the Apostle General himself and so a banner the with him. Nanti Johnny, your platform and so na yending come the General.
Ember, Bokodia. Okay, so let me start quickly with the CAF Confederation Cup finals. First of all, initial stadium, you see Benjamin Kappa, 60,000. But CAF, independent TBI share, Sebi, or facility, say, say, the major tournament, the host tournament, CAF, our independent committee be a omo beko akohwe omo kohwe na omo si there bi ebe din se bi ye bebo a competition like Confederation Cup final was happening, so they have to move it to Zanzibar. IS Stadium, man, 12,000. Tanzania for no anti as a vice president co-inspected he thought about unfortunately the brand Ejuma. So that was the first allegations. In fact, that was the first allegation. He thought that at the end of the SQ at the end of baby. And later I'll explain to you why they will make that case. Whether it's right or wrong is a different matter. Now, RS Bekane, Renaissance Bekane, shared 2 goals in the first leg. Emphatic performance, especially in the first half. So going to this game, you think so near Omuye Simba against El Masri by bouncing back, watering the pitch, getting those 2 goals back after losing the first leg to El Masri 2-0. No? They can do that. But hey, this is a different team. Now, game no starts here, no? And first of all, Bekane came in with the mindset they will press them early and then subsequently defend. And we shall light up now, give them that. And that's Moin Shabani's strategy with good wingers. Now, in the 14 minutes, you have a situation whereby a beautiful pass from Almak Assar, then to Abrantier Labin Yassini. Brilliant strike. Goalkeeper Ahmed Shawani Mas. Goalkeeper Musa Kamara, sorry. Esse Oya alert because this is the final. You feel we have to win the final. So he was exceptional. That save was brilliant save. Just 16 minutes a free kick and then Abrantier Joshua Mutali, Eli Mpanza, brilliant. Or the 40-yard pass and then laid it to Joshua Mutali. Joshua Mutali, the first leg was on the bench. He didn't start on the bench. He was Leonard Ateba and the boy. This time the coach saw that he's ready and good to finish. And wonderfully for the coach, he spot on 17 minutes, the goal came. That was big joy for them. 2-0 down, 17 minutes, second leg. Unya first goal means the crowd, baby, very soon, you bet me share second goal. Then you have Yusuf Mary give another good pass to Abrantier friend Yasin Labiru. In fact, he was the problem causer for a friend is saying Simba. He created a problem for their defense. And he do baby who said defender Shez Maloney struggled, brought him down twice because he was very skillful and intelligent. That aside, then came the moment where Isaac Mukwala had a chance be. All he could have done was pass the ball. And unfortunately, he couldn't pass the ball to Joshua Mutali early. It was late. They missed the opportunity because now, if he would die sleepy, it was a bad mistake from him. Wrong position of his body. Emma, that chance. Mukwala again had another chance, this time over the bar. The end of the first half. Then the second half, 50th minute, red card. So we'll come to the goal, but you check the red card. The tackle from Yusuf Kagamo. Don't forget, the second half, Omu are very aggressive because how Mamadou Kamara was playing a bit rough, very dangerous tackle sometimes, and then you carry airball. And they started to be aggressive, only Fabrice Ngoma. But he was overly aggressive. Now, that, if you look at the tackle, a bad tackle, I thought that should have been a straight red card. And this was the tackle. This is terrible. This is terrible. A car final, that's unintelligent play from him. You don't do this. Because disadvantage a problem. And the referee, Bahani Bida, second yellow. Because we don't know yellow card, red card. Red card no buy, and even with the 10 men, and this is why 10 men have issue people. Because with 10 men they started playing very well because almost he had the second goal to equalize aggregate 2-2 to enable them see say Ebeko extra time the penalties whether they can win through penalties or even extra time. And in that moment they started playing very well. They were dominating midfield. And to show you, the what Bekane did was to make sure say Ayub Kari playing on the left, and then Abrantier, your friend Yusuf Mary were dropping to support Mamadou Kamara to make sure say they defend very well because RS Bekane are the best defensive team in the tournament anyway, so they know how to defend very well. But in the course of that, and a free kick by Jean Ahua, very tricky, intelligent, great dribbler, creative player. And my free kick, so free kick no, or my free kick no, so this is a referee. Behani before Oma free kick no so and Mokwala heady ball that was 73rd minute. Mokwala heady ball the whole stadium. So there's a free kick Jena Hoa. That's the goal. The whole stadium was electrified.
At that point, they knew say 2-0.
It's all over. The stadium was electrified. So referee Bahani leader, I saw Koshe via referee. Some Koshe said players almost no mujibility. Koshe knows who there be. There was a marginal offside. This and it's true. Oshe, I want the Oshe slight marginal, very slight marginal offside. Now after that, then came the moment Sumala City Bay. Wonderful goal from him. And Musa Kamara was nowhere. At the end of the day, RS Berkane has won the 3rd CAF Confederation Cup. In fact, last year, don't forget, they were in the Confederation Cup final and lost to Zamalek, the same coach Moin Shabani. Now, Oshe, the team RS Berkane has played 12 games in the CAF Confederation Cup qualified to this. They've considered only 3 goals, including Emra. That is how Elhas Hamza Musa from goalkeeper Mude Mohammed, Elhas at the left back, Abdelhak Assal, Isifu Dayo, the general with intelligence, composure, and brilliance. The general for Burkina Faso national team, and 9 years with Berkane. He's won the 3 CAF Competition Cup with them. He got a 4 final one with them. And then young, talented, brilliant stopper in Adel Tahif with Mamadou Kamara. That is what they've been able to achieve. In 12 games, 3 goals considered as incredible defensive structure, discipline in the organization. That is what they've done. And don't forget that the president of the club, Fauzi Leka, the first vice president of CAF, the reason why the Tanzanians were complaining about referee decision, almost linked it to, but it doesn't make sense. This man has won 3 Confederation Cup for them. Brilliant.
In the last 5 years.
In the last 5 years. And Moin Shabani has proven again. Year with Esperance, he beat WAC, beat Ali for Esperance 2018, 2019. He's come back here again, gone to 2 top finals, has won for them. And don't forget, he didn't only win. For the first time in the history of RS Berkane, we're winning Botola League for them at the expense of Wydad Raja AS FAR. That is a monumental achievement. And for Fauzi Lekaya, a big deal for a team that was in relegation. He brought them to the Botola League. And that is what he's achieved so far. Brilliant. Excellent work from them. Now to the CAF Champions League. Now, unfortunately, before I go CAF Champions League, we know there is a certain trend that is not going well for them. In 1974, Omni Gazelle Mahala in the club championship, now CAF champion, they lost to Gazelle Mahala in the semi-final. CAF Cup 1993, they lost to Stella Ajome of Ivory Coast. And now, so a year, I said 3 times they've gone to the final. And something significant also, 2 in 3 years, 2 Tanzanian teams have gone to the finals. They've lost. But the point is that the fact that 2 Tanzanian teams could go to the CAF Confederation Cup finals too shows you how quality the team is and how well they are performing. Another thing I ask say, North Africans will continue to dominate. Is their that's also what it has proven again. Because Ushe has a folk Stade Mali won it against a team in 2009. Then you have a situation where 2012 AC Leopards, Leopards GS. So there was no North African ball there. Then you travel and come back to 2015. You have a situation whereby Orlando Pirates lost to Etoile Sportif du Sahel. So once again, a North African belt, TP Mazembe, 2016 against Emu Bejaya, and then 2017 against Supersport. After that, check what has happened. It's Raja Casablanca Berkane, then Raja Casablanca another Berkane, then USF Orges, then Zamalek, then now you have RS Berkane again. So clearly, this tournament and this competition, just like it's happening to Sebiu, the Champions League, are notoriously controlled and dominated by the Maghrebian North African countries. It's investment, quality investment. Unisika, retain players, pay them well, quality coaches you can. So it's a big challenge. Now to the CAF Champions League. This was a big game. And we share finals, no Confederation Cup. Standard, no quality of play. No, look, Confederation Cup, no Simba and fan respect Ama RS Berkane. No, they didn't do that. They played as if Berkane a normal side. That is what we expect from a champion. From a Champions League trophy and a Confederation Cup, the final, we expect quality play. Excellent display of technical quality from both sides. That is what happened. And finals are befitting for each status Two teams to exhibit high standard, high quality. Now in the Champions League, same applied. It was very interesting. Just that, yes, Ushaya, for Sundowns, Umber control game Devia. That's them. That's why they are the Brazilians of African club football. They pass and move, they control game. They retain possession. Number for Pyramids, they didn't show respect to Sundowns at all. Because look, Fisty Mayele had 4 chances out of 4. Can saw 2. And Mohamed Lashin proved that he's not in the national for now. What an intelligent passing and reading of the movement of his front 3. Ibrahim Adel, Fisty Mayele. And Ahmed Atef. He was always spotting them. And look, Fisty Mayele, poor first touch, the problem for Fisty Mayele. He would have buried it before Ekram Renes. Any chance through Kulusi Mudao pass now. My goalkeeper Ahmed Shenawi, a save without point blank save. No. There are 3 chances before Sanders near 1. They were so quick, and only unfortunate that Ibrahim Adel, that sensational, brilliant winger who cut info from the left, I recover fully. Look, he was a mouthful. 2 occasions, Ron Williams have to show excellent reflex to save the game. Now, unfortunately, Tashrek Matthews, the left winger for Sundowns, no, after Ahmed Sami, centre back, a wall. So he got out and Jaden Adams came. Now there came Abrante at his house. Marcelo Allende, Manu, good pass, 42nd, me buried the ball, you and goalkeeper over the bar. Then came the second half. Ahmed Atef, a tackle on Jaden Adams, yellow card. 53rd minute, the moment. Lucas Ribeiro Costa. The moment came. Left-footed, brilliant strike. Goalkeeper mentioned at home baby about the fire. Brilliant. Then again, you have Ibrahim Adel, 1v1 with Abrantia Kulise Mudao. He dribbled him short and it was over the bar. Ikram Renes had a good chance, 65 minutes. Mahmoud Mare blocked the shot. 78 minutes, Ahmed Sami, centre back, had 1v1 with goalkeeper Roy William. Brilliant save by goalkeeper Roy Reflex, brilliant parry to corner. I said, Sounddown said, the way I call you hear Obia, or you quick and brilliant up front at the right wing. Then, because Mohamed Chiba Kwa on Tamba, then also they have to bring in a striker because they need a goal. To say, Ikram Renes, Efribu. Then you also have Tassel. Then you have Abranti Efribu, Peter Shalulile, and Neo Mayama to give that bite. Coach Miguel Cardoso were here for the goal. When they came, they were playing well, but the moment came when Walid El Kati. Don't forget, Walid El Kati led WAC 2017 to win the CAF Champions League. He knows this stage. Mohamed Lashin, like I said, good supplies to Ibrahim Adel. Let me see. Mohamed Lashin again supplied 94th minute. Brilliant pass. And then wonderful header for him. Equalizer. When we say Sundowns players anymore, they were beat down. But that is what the marking of Pyramids players without the ball was exceptional. And Tiamat Sundowns and create a lot of chances. So Pyramids have got the goal. Second leg, Pyramids has not lost at home. Second leg is coming up this weekend. Pyramids and Sundowns is going to be very interesting. It looks slightly Pyramids, but Sundowns has quality to be able to live up to expectation. More minute be na minute asa.
We dey anka odi si homa mi anka.
We dey si homa.
Kama ni be je ho pa.
I'm saying more 1 minute behind so person give me. No 1 minute be more 1 minute be person give me.
1 minute. Okay, we dey for bonnet away. Na me
okay,
at
so
exactly 11 now.
Okay, right. So it's Monaco Grand Prix, Formula 1 Monaco Grand Prix. It was a tight race because Monaco no there were curves, no bumps be brave. And so now we a driver now say when in yet
we are Formula 1.
Yes, it's Formula 1.
Okay.
And it was very tight, and because of time, I'm not going to manage it. It's very tight, but once again, 77 lap was what everything happened when Lando Norris, after Max Verstappen complaining on lap 60, said, "Ni tie no your problem. Ni tie no, I can't finish the 78 lap of my tie." And then Lando Norris took advantage, overtook him 77th lap, just 1 lap too. And then at the end of the day, Lando Norris is winning. Usher standings now between Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri, who are all drivers of McLaren, is 3 points. That's all to play for in the Spanish Grand Prix next.
Thank you, Apostle General. Now, yɛmfa yɛaboafoɔ no nso adwatondeɛ kakra yɛbɛkɔ ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛkɔ break but kangen drinking water nsuo no ɛyɛ nsuo a ɛyɛ duro da bia meka kyerɛ wo ɛsiane sɛ all these minerals a ɛyɛ important for your health yɛka nsuo a wobɛnom na bɛma wapɔmuden a ɛyɛ kangen drinking water ɛsiane sɛ wobɛnya calcium wom ɛnya hydrogen ɛwom wobɛnya magnesium ne potassium ne nyinaa ebi ɛwɔ kangen drinking water ne nyinaa mu iron san so ka ho nti the more na wo nom no the more ne keep your body no and your system refreshing mesrɛ wada sɛ pensu papa no nom na mmoa na Ghana ha yade a yɛfrɛ sɛ typhoid ɛdɔɔso ne nyinaa yɛ nsu pa a yɛnum ntra kangen drinking water don't just say water say kangen about root a kyerɛ sɛ ɛno ɛwɔ new road woduru hɔ atafo new road wobɛnya bi atɔ Brema UGC ɛhɔ nso yɛ hɔ ɛtufoɔ no mfrɛ 0241 44 9191 0241 44 9191 wofrɛ line wei so a yɛbɛgye wo so no yɛnu adi nkɔmmɔ Kulun Ghana Limited yɛde nnuro mmiɛnsa abɛdwama so baako yɛ huntrum capsules no ɛyɛ prostate haw ɛna aba ɛbɛtu aseɛ saa nso na Mr. Kill ɛno so wɔ hɔ mmɛmma duro nwamasoɔ no wobɛbɔ adwuma a mesrɛ wo wode air condition still na mfifire tew Mr. Kill ɛyɛ duro paa sexual weakness waist pains low libido slow erection premature ejaculation ɛne saa haw no nyinaa da wonya Mr. Kill no a ɛtu aseɛ araba bazin pill ɛno so hɔ a ɛboa ɛtu mmaa mfikyirikɔ ɛne emu haw no nyinaa ase menstrual pains ɛno akyi no menstrual disorders irregular flow ɛne saa haw no nyinaa no ɛboa wo de ɛma no san so yɛ danie ɛne sɛ sexual frigidity in women na kyerɛ sɛ lack of orgasm wonya duro wei bi nom a ɛbɛma wo ho ayɛ wo dɛ sɛ gɔgɔmɛ mesrɛ wo kɔpɛ Kulun Ghana Limited nnuro yi mmiɛnsa bi na yusu na ɛbɛma fie hɔ ayɛ nika frɛ yɛ 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 wofrɛ line yi so a emu bia yɛne wobɛdi nkɔmmɔ na biribia nso atumi akɔ so de ama wo afei yɛmfa wo messages no kakra na yɛnda yɛ homra oyibo boaten de firi no bɛhi ɛna ɔse the referee who officiated Kotoko Bibiani Gold Stars game came with a mindset to rob Kotoko. Posterity will judge all of us. Greetings to Chairman Owusu Bempa, Inshiayeso, and Samuel Boachi Yadom, SBY, Busomche, Wei, Ayenua Oyibo Boating, and Odifri Nebehi, their Johnny Ye. Or say good morning. God bless you all for our another fantastic week. We so ye Ajenim Giovanni and also powers more power. Pedro Maldina Cruz. Or say the best sports show is airborne. Inside here, loud and clear. Inside Indiana's Palace Kumasi, Tanoso, Kesben Junction is the main location. Nana Akwesi Abrakwa Charles. Or say good morning, powers and the entire sports team. Congratulations to Chelsea for bouncing back to the table of men, UEFA Champions League. I'm watching you live at Tepa Ahafwano North Municipal. Ehona also dear Fraba. Yenuya Rahim Rankin. I say big ups to Ember Power and the people in the people in the studio. Okay, and the people in the studio. Where Yenuya Rahim Rankin who message no official confirmed Eric Ten Hag signs as a by 04 Leverkusen head coach, replacing Xabi Alonso, 2-year deal until June 2027. As Ten Hag was also the main man for the job. We enso efri yenua and hot non so a dear Johnny ye. Na yenko so na fi yenfa dia kano so emfa mau. Na me share there Alhaji Mahama Salia Fiera Banda or say good morning boss. When Young Apostles Football Club did the needful on high-flying Pando Heart of Lions to take off the relegation nightmare. We were up flying with 3 solid goals in less than 30 minutes. Every stakeholder of Young Apostles Football Club did exactly what is expected, hence the sumptuously sweet victory. With the remaining games, we are adopting the strategy of Dreaming Deaf Man by Alhaji Mahama Salia Fiera, Director of Communications, Young Apostles, and all the message way Edia Bray. And to say, almost strategy, to say, Muma was so die, chess on country bia, or no soon message or the Bray and no. Mean twas so namin share, Yenuya Joseph J. Owusu Casimiro, Ose Manchester. We are back. Next season will be sweet. Chris Mensah Jr. Ose PAG. We're gonna beat Inter Milan. Danny Coleman, watching you live from Ahafu Kenya, number 2 Jericho. Ember Power, more fire. Flippo, Kwabri Kasim, Ember, please update me on Manchester United transfer. Greetings to my daughter, Frimpong Manson, Echan Felix, and my mother, Auntie Mary of Geneso, Wenso Efrienia Flippo, and the message way Ediabre. Tom Owusu, Osi more fire. Chelsea Abre, Joseph Owusu Casimiro. Nice one, bro. We Joel Holalda. Also, Odiano no. Wamla Kwesi Alonso. Or say more fire. Also, Odiano no. Koti GH. Or say please Ember with emojis of life. Owusu Usman Dembele for the Ballon d'Or. Joseph AJ Casimiro. Doris Buta. Also, what Johnny Ye. So and a lot of messages now Eguswa Eba Kingsford Akon or say I watched the game and I can tell you Barcelona were complacent. I didn't say man against Arsenal. Okay, they score a fantastic goal to win the Women Champions League. Rahim Rankin. I'm watching you live. Isaac Akroma wants to message Aski Gel or say I agree with Ember. Mo Salah should be included in the final 3 for the Ballon d'Or. Love you more. Aski Gel or say the Apostle General will always make your day. Extremely intelligent and the most complete sports analyst in GH. In-depth analysis. And also Yenuya Aski Gel message watching you live from Tadi where you Shamaba also loving and enjoying loving and enjoying listening to him. Aski Gel once again all the way by Kingsford. Also, I watched the Confederation Cup and the Champions League, and I must say we are miles away. Even our best 11 can't win. Into Ghana, you select your best 11 krana. Yentumenji Confederation as a CAF Champions League. Difference in this song. Nedia no. Yenuya Grace and MC Albisum. A very short commercial break. Yaba. A man in Orlando, Ebetnasi, Odi Fiedi and Sodia Bre, Yabasisia.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Introducing Betway's Bet Influencer, a groundbreaking feature where you can make money by just sharing codes. He just needs to share his codes and make money. The more his codes are used, the more money he makes. Oh yes, so what are you waiting for? Anyone can be a bet influencer. Share your codes and make money. Bet Influencer, another world first from Betway.
This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betway, get way more.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy you.
Brother, and not so good.
Now tell me about Michelle and see about Queen. Why me and say?
Bra, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy me fearful. And you're about ever so.
Really, I know this is offending now.
Bra, so me cause me the time about Mister Juan Dancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where drawn the time about Mister?
And you go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. What drawn the time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, what mark or down for any aquada when you fear to me. And son of the total about Mr. Draven. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
Kayo, set time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziba, a woman. Ever trap. Ubenya be at all, ever over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a dreading crotway at all.
Abusaka Kabi will have made out to Nara, who said, woman said, about Flaketo 1 year, 2 years, Akadaiba. It's the African Spider-Man, Labe about Flaketo him one any problem here. Then the bill costs one to come when you go ready, won't be African Spider-Man ne ba be sebo abofra ba prekupe ne hu African Jacks wa ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret na dia na ye
na me yetua na ma nka e wo fam ana police mi di one dance tell me say menye na me nso nhwe na me so hwe no a boosting immune system ama say me train na mente bre metimi di kama ama nka wo dwom so ekoso
me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko
enye je ne koso hwe
hey Spider-Man what are you
ho fa me kura chen
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. A pin for any kola umundi if you do me enom. FDA agigade tatwe atu.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause say you might for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu hekwanya ubefaso nya adwuma ana ati adwuma ku a mfaso waso ewo kuya adwuma mu ene ATVet mu enne ya so anamonne fast sanwo wabusua ene wo mpatemu asetenemu bo star 718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debro
Mamenhye time herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa eyadro say emani padua nkwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time herbal mixture edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time herbal mixture wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture eyedro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Okay, yensan so magana fo nyina kwa ba na yemra matwa so local issues no eba Orlando ejekum Blankson atenasia odi efie nkomo no enso ebesom yen. But don't forget so we use telecell sim. So wonyi bia pebi na use sesia telecell no se eso ye de eso ye nika se telecell or se we use a eno an se use telecell cash fa send sika koma adofo. Wadamfo wo ba wonua bi wo school send sika fa telecell so komano na de tenie ene se sempo we use telecell play app ni bia wo send sika ekoma odofo no so use telecell a eye free ye ntene kaprek bakra sempo onyusu app no na wo send koma na ye bete ne kitwa bi eye telecell no o se send keke obe dial star 110 hash anasa uko Google Play Store na wa download telecell play app no na also washase no way you su. Win big with mega cash lucky box on Sompa. Enunye misraw de safata so be yen so be dial star 426 star 6 hash star 426 star 6 hash. Now fi washase no we follow prompt no was select out of the 6 exciting options no was select back on. O select back we are no impute amount o pesa do to actually. And one no confirm momo transaction. Bia ye betina hey no we twa se 4. Orlando Soldan hu we twa back no enche mu se ne sika na ba na enije no so aye complete. Aye mega cash omo ho enkomo no. Orlando ejekum blankson atenase. Ghana for ina Orlando. Bibi aboko de.
Powers bibi aboko.
Ye de yankopon say. Na obi say I want Orlando to tell us, is the league title over for us? Kotoko, because I still believe Nations FC will lose a game. Yenya Kingsford on Facebook message on the Amayen no. Or say Kotoko are you over for them and answer still nan akwenye bi ho a Kotoko betumi ade league.
Mathematically, enye over for Kotoko because Nations lead you 5 points. But reality is over for Kotoko. That is why omo ko baby and me catch them say they should limit their expectations how omo dey ko baby any because club bi enu we asimu upper league ajia second round o top best player Kwame Poku beja ne say onko Blasters camp wa bre kobo friendly match enye FIFA sanction tournament enye CAF sanction tournament enti decision say omo ma Kwame Poku Blasters na minim say Ghost Stars omo ntimi nkofa win no
Yanko if you come on yanko but obi so sanso na message your platform so na me dem hu say edison but apostle mo say a reality say ohwe CAF Confederation no ohwe Champions League over the weekend no share the standard and the level na so Ghana your league your Kokotoko House of Folk or best players you have selected the best 11 krani education simba mo into ni wo mombo what do you say
na say ohwe ekwan a Asante Koroko Omontimi hold on Steven Mokwala Desi because obe kromia obi a ohwe Mokwala bia ehun say oye complete player forward because otimi operate from the wings otimi ball as a main target ne ho den o pace ena onimbo ne ball osan ye intelligent goal scoring but ne contract ne so na si say what you say enti de nipa ne ka no no cry because
the best 11 where your league you ma yentumi no
metimi ama Ghana Premier League best 11
o de olayenko somehow one man Ghana foot
well Powers ye nche ye tiefo a etie Sompa 93.1 ne ahwefo a ehwe Sompa TV full time dwumade ne so afisem no na ye de ma na endra no na ani ni nyina akogina baabi ani because na ya de set tension wo game nim kakra enti initially cry na ye born e beba TV so emma TV so emma need akokra awia no koye post to be emma eno generate a lot of argument say koroko enye save ewo baabi ani because edru baabi no about 12 ansana Globe TV for no omo hihye omo no man but initially TV na obetwa game no ka cha 10 am na omo hihye omo no ma wenti e kodu ni ebusa no na chese communicate free GFA enkoma Ghost Stars ebo no ombetwa no TV so GFA na omo eye write up ebetu social media say ball no afedi ye betwa no na communicate free omo camp enko Ghost Stars for paying for e ka kire Globe TV say communicate no omo nsanya nkan say ball no omo betwa enti Globe TV for ni gina bonten ma ne ball 12 noon and sana omo van no etimi ewura inside enti asat
game I born 3
yes
12 o'clock and sana mutumi
ebo be 12:30 to 1 and sana omo hihye omo normal no omo cameras ni nyina wi that was the communique a free Ghost Stars as well Emma Globe for no that was the communique enti emu ye de na need akomote say ball no kra no Globe for no yesi emu omu ntwa no ena omu koyi yes a post no ena ene as a communique no e contentem so enti aden ye hu sei eye Globe for ya no omu call enso atre ya second half ya mo ntwa game na yes say omo cameras ni bi aden ye ho sa
boy baby ani nkomo nsama e ko so na afie
Ember na yedi kan ye hwe teams no de wa omo sifa arrive dance park omo mame yes Go Stars na eba na chese police for di omo anim kama ene omo ba omo fancy boje omo so na moto yi on se obi di moto abetwam ho yes wo yi keche wani we say Madrid na eba nka ponko na di anim no we no eyo kada ne abobo ya no ene omo yeso ye de no yes ena ye di anim sa ena Go Stars for no edi be ram nto omo ram no be 15 minutes time ena Asante Koroko yes Krobia yes enti Koroko for ne so na omo bana chese Endra mese Kotoko invade baby ani because supporter omo de ba baby ani na chese enyagro ti Kotoko fonso timbas no na eba na chese omo nso police for ni di omo ni mabobo ya kakra Prague ya kakra yes ni nyina di ani musa ni nyina enso di ani musa na omo nso edi bewura stadium omo bewura mu a game no ehase no na mummame commander yes, Commander Griffiths on the in charge of protocols on match day at the Asante Koroko. Where all the Hakwana or Rino make Hona me pese on so be hurry. Where officer be Nejina hon. And tinka aquadi receive na nurse and officer and channel. He and who de he. Officer net Jano. I'm a police for and sudru on Omanya he. Obi a wetimi ahuri. Esi inner perimeter. Onye official. Na me be kire odi enti eni petwa hia onye official enti ohuri hia na
adam moment na de na ekoso me official na she green
tie de kwaye ne say ye bo first half ni wie no a ye be start second half no ena boy no Go Stars fo bi frɛ boy ne ka bibi kire no ti na okokotoko ba bi akotoko be ba be da second half no na okosa go post ni
okay
and in charge of protocols Edema Santigoroko Commander Griffiths or ye accredited or your official and to know inner perimeter nim and no ofra kwane se wonim no kopo nima on some free ho enti e ho na Go Stars for ni hu ye say or kwa kwane so no musu dimrika enti omo bae na omo be se oba na akwasi adu bae na obeka kire omo na omo ja ti commander ekotena ho to kotena ho no ye hu ya ne se boys bi enso atie si na perimeter nim e ba commander so to oba he no ne police for ne so kan bi ba bi kra de we no hu ni ya opia commander ne pia tropa commander ne so oye soldier by profession but kotokoma de on ne hwe security ho nsem no enti opia no na eye pinte na ye hu se akwa ne so afo na o tie sim no enti ehon de commander omu pushi ni bia including police ni ba kro de commander ye poor game ne kra na commander sen ko senye Alex Manu mu na pata na commander se ono so be kire se ono so eye officer ewo adwuma de wa police ni no push obi a oye accredited oye match official na wo police ni utimi be push ne kakra mi commander to form ti commander wie ne na ko person no so e kire se ye ti enti na Alex Manu be pata na omde ne ko shake enti enoma e course we ye be start second half no and Sakrana ye start second half
okay
na mumma me kotoko offside
what boy before the game
yes
after first half
yes
younger second half
yes enti mumma me kotoko offside goal no yes enti nie yes na ewiase na Ember Shebress staff for near radio ka go we to atenema anka Samson Aduku anka ne Shebress san kotoko se bo we eto neta enso pre na chese adini si so de Ember ma Grace mobiem na wa hese ball no wo de wo ni sei yes ebi mu say nya offside but ye ne nya referee ntino ya ne empese ye yes ball ni die enti yes wa fa ball no wo mfimfio to ye move no piama na chese Aduku one control kra na pa na Endra meka say Aduku coach kra ball na baso because Endra Aduku 15 minutes no be boy o kire say playing time and then normal bebre because obe hete ba ko and or share offside goal so baako enti ye poor match no na Safu Duku yes comes director de Kumasi Asante Kroko yenti nsem a okan e fa referee ni decisions mo enti lawyer Safu Duku on the communication director de Asante Kroko we dey buza say lawyer na referee no say referee no 50-50 ball bi o just ya Asante Kroko na oba no na bia wa na adwe say game no de obeye na obeye no ene ebusa say Kotoko no omu chances no so we dia mathematically Kotoko ni race ni but den say obi ka say Kotoko beje league na den pa say Kotoko yes enso beje league no na Apa Life ono no o takwa o ye stunt Kotoko fan endro o free takwa by ni epo game no wakasa de afa referee no ho o se referee no on deserve say obedi bokra ewo takwa se enkwala ebo bokra eni kwase e appointed referee no obedi ball
yentie na
Hey, Apai. Look at the performance of the referee. It's 25%. All the 50-50 ball goes to and then it goes south. Any later part of the game, you get clean goal or the Salah goal. And to be said, sir.
And Apa Life, or say ya na referee ni be di bond there.
Or performance 25%.
Or say or catch obi ase mo obi amfani sika me game ni. Say ya na referee ni be there. Because one the ohun ni say Kotoko share perfect goal and a referees e the salary. Na ye call no, ye rap post match no. Na Sikozito. But Ember for the first time Ghana Premier League echi Coach Karim Zito, I know him. For the first time I'm who say Coach Karim Zito ebu full referees eyendra. Onye obi a normally or complaining about referees. But referee offside be. The way Coach Karim Zito edimrika call line 1 ne so kobusa de say identity no maje offside na chese eni braba. Na ye remo post match ne busa coach referees there or say on the or say referees ne beye omo adwuma. They did their best and on so be end. Say one hwe no ano pa krumi a ho be kire. Anti coach eno enso Coach Karim Zito ene de sansem no enso etimi etudwa efa game no enso eho no na we no echenya nkopon boa yebenya abotan ye rewura sansem no enso ye ntemba de course ewo baabi ani no ena metwa ne mfonyini kakra enso ade ache na sia de league ne de Kasim Mingo de adwuma oye no nations no 2 matches no aje league no
Sadam Philip be country say nyoma modibe celebrity na say victory we no ni nyina aba
yes
before weekend
oh ma crowd o mu see to am le be preparation say call
modibe celebrity ni nyina no nyoma aba
yes
teacher say league no match dada
say sisi anaka ni 2 matches obekọ baseke into the baseke wanya de kra ko bodro hai
na chese o match you
there be obodra 2 matches na the last game ya Heart of Lions be she wo home
so say if I say so or draw
olidi Ghost Stars 3 points okay and you okobodra na Ghost Stars ko winia
but between woman Kotoko na 5 points
Kotoko de sia de we free racing mti en count match na eno na ebusa coach say sisi ano psychologically say no prepare him ranting for 2 games aka won him
training, before commencement of every training, I sat them up. And our preparation is why I'm here for. But I can only start now. Our normal preparation here more matches in here. That's all we do. We don't want to put unnecessary pressure on the players. Our normal preparation here.
And head coach Edema Nations FC and Otese Okasano. Na Odensama Satuja. Yebusan coach. You heard Juma we any bechem. And the Wabe Nations last 2 seasons now. Uji this enkofo under Ritiw as a coach. Or say I power way. And Kasa.
I can say yes and no, but Juma who you how you see you been following me from the Chema who Juma be or how me continue. I don't talk much. Your work will talk for you.
Sure.
Oh yeah no she said how I don't microphone okay. I always say me I don't talk much. Your work will talk for you.
Nti Ember ahwene power ho no eya na nkasa nti coach Kasim Mingi o so obema na adwuma na akasa de ama na hu hia so obekasa na Ember me membrane nti no me ko na mom no Blasters call up aba e blasto se ye ka no kra kire mpanyimfo se Abdul Aziz Isa eko Barcelona junior side a whole season about 2 games and he had ba under 20 sisi Barcelona for release no nanka ombetimi assign omuso omanya assign but ye ko Blasters akobo tournament 4 nation tournament Abdul Aziz Isa the whole season about 2 matches eba Barcelona junior team o kan squad ni hu bi squad ne da so o kan hu bi Steven Amankona ashe 13 goals empanyimfo amfana nkobi Abdul Aziz Isa about 2 matches about Barcelona's junior team yedinaka Blasters squad ready na call London na Ember Blasters for kakra se omuko no training kakra eko so antini yede no beja okwan na watimi ahwe na bibia nso atimi ayekam
or a midfielder ubenya Ironesel defender or North Texas on and ubenya Calabrianchi on so a defender and Mohamed Gaddafi Fuseni nti we mu ne 5 players are from but one particular thing we should have a purpose and I say a proper route aye the namso the ntina ya fred this 5 young debutants yin nim say if a basse ye kobo a proper tournament or mun na for mun kan ho. Listen to this. This is a build up. A national team, no matter the game, I will say unity, say then. Where they are, there's a game ahead of you. As for your proper preparation towards it. And this all include any other person. It should be someone who say in the future or backup plans. But you must say, Abrante friend Joseph Tetana will go keep our friend. No, is he going to be a constant figure, a part of the team? Are they having eyes for him? And now say you will be near maybe some casa ultimacy trying to build for the future. But do we know? And I say for sure no. You didn't say we mo that no more kahuana. And now say in quote, question marks for honum no. Because we want something for them for obi personal benefit. Now Orlando cannot say Abdulaziz is about 2 games. Now let's calculate it and bring it down. You don't go into details. So about 15 minutes and 2 games.
Two games no boy no about 15 minutes.
Okay, 2 games. They said 2 games and 19. We argument about
so
190. I understand. But I'm trying to highlight it. Yeah, that I'm trying to highlight it. Say 2 games now. Our bona on the record say 2 games. 15 minutes per. And even with that, no, you must say 15 minutes. How is someone or a professional player? How would you be able to adjudge and justify say within 15 minutes? No. He deserves to be a part of something big. Because in Ghana here, you league, national league, Nimkoye, and they say, maybe so cast a players, and say more chance near there. And see, say Abdulaziz is nobody wants the bad thing for him. Being him so a product of the league, you know. Or free as a coin potential nekutano. But it doesn't mean say ukuta potential name koya. We should keep, praising you and say lifting you to a place I wouldn't do. Okay. So for me, I think say very, very bad on that. Now. The Ghana Premier League, powers, a hard make a crowd demand Nations FC. Once a Ghana Premier League near the head to head near. Wouldn't say if any head to head near goes now, Nations FC after their next game come be win Ghana Premier League no. The next game on bebo mu Holy Stars enebebo.
Baseke.
Yeah, Baseke Holy Stars enebebo. Sen komu win this game now. Once say 3 points difference. Omu 12 plus goals and then Bobo ko for me omu 24 plus goals na Bibiani Gold Stars or 12 plus goals. Tell you say goals difference here. Come at Bibiani Gold Stars mu. But then Ghana Premier League ni emfa goals different there. Yeah, the head to head. And now Bibiani Gold Stars etna dance park she Nations by 1 goal to nil. And omu call Nations come ball 1-1. Tell you say head to head the Bibiani Gold Stars or yes are there Nations FC they can solely focus their all attention on the next game of Baseke Holy Stars bebono now come they are but yet we still hope to see what happens the next 2 games na bebano Krobia Kumasa Sante Kotoko de no I sat here and say obi okobia lower no expectation Bibiani dance park because you wouldn't expect this team or major the 2 main players in the team quite so munkobo the unity game na ebebaso no you wouldn't expect them say impone so omo onum kwa na ebe going to dance park to go for a win into omo ni honum no you wouldn't expect them to go for a win into omo kwa and draw no menya no I think is good but the only thing they take the shine away from that performance akotoko the mind is the goal disallowed frankly speaking my goal ni bebre unse the nya the clearer angles of Bebiana players need na pote bet per what we saw there from per what we saw there me opinion say me make it the final fact per what I saw
opinion on a matter that deserve facts
because
you don't have so you don't come and count opinion because you must be stating a matter of fact on the basis of the fact available according to the laws of the game where a match such as the way it takes place now only what I normally tell people only all the full camera angles I don't. Because when you espouse an opinion and there's a contrary fact established, then it doesn't sound well. So
I think
games like this are angles, because of how the caliber of TV station in the manium capacity. How many times when you have full view of your friend is saying match the boy?
Yeah, it's quite unfortunate.
So it's difficult. So me that's why I decided I don't talk about referees. Because angle for
oh, that's very
they don't give you all the angles.
Yeah. Sure. I'm go no who asem
kan yes, difficult. Yes, difficult.
Filippo.
Bema. Ghana Premier League for now the before year call. Saturday make our say it is Nations League to lose.
Yeah.
Now the way man new Messi call. I say where yes Real Madrid for no omoya party before say ban now see Vinicius Junior. They later announced Rodri. We Ember. The coordinations are very confident so much Ghana Premier League. Now, that game is very vital. Say nations between the Ghana Premier League and Baseke Holy Stars and Ember United. Now, the results in Bessia now, I can confidently tell you, say, the Akono, Accra Lions will join the other 2 teams. That is in Swatreman and Legon cities to relegation. He said, "Yeah, I concern sana ko bibia ansesa. Say no obo Holy Stars we are. Anka se Holy Stars lose no game na. Anka Holy Stars I say really no omunye too secured. So mbe maintain your status as an elite club in the Ghana Premier League. But then no because they had a draw against Bechem United no omo enya lifeline in the Ghana Premier League. Nti say Olusi game na against Nations FC cry ha no. Nti ewon zama Baseke Holy Stars any Nations FC no me within me no I feel say Nations will still go there and win that game. But Bibiani Gold Stars games no so akano and also you're tricky because Brekum Chelsea on here point in the way is on no League no the only realistic chance of a trophy for Brekum Chelsea was the MTN FA Cup eventually lost to Asante Kotoko at the semi-final. So then no say Olusima Bibiani Gold Stars on one relegation already is safe until the point in here no and the last game of Gold Stars say Bonaya Accra Lions he say Accra Lions there I say omo ankasa no omo destiny ekro omo nsem me hu a chance of survival for Accra that is Accra Lions. He said me hu chance of survival but Pandas of Lions so I saw more bow out and no results at Pandas of Lions in losing by 3-1 to Young Apostles and goes to Twasu. And I was like, wow. And say no, who cut him so muya yet secure that Young Apostles, Bibia and Sisombeko, Vision FC, Omunko relegation. Take this from me. Vision FC, young apostles, Basake Holy Stars, they will never go to relegation. But team are Oja League in there. I will sit here and still be emphatic. Say Nations Neji. Western region where we are Super Medal League. Now, say no, there is a new team of Western region now who are qualified to the Division 1. And that team is from Wase Kropon. Insuo Punu Fidelity. Insuo Punu Fidelity. On the Miami Chrome second credit team Best Paradise. Na ball final eventually on winning by a goal to 0. But we had a fandom, any a fan culture. It was awesome on the day before the final. And every game be an amount for Copa. And say congratulations to the Nabuatan. The Nabuatan of Insuo Punu Fidelity. We may be a new crew ni team no eshe. Wase Kropon. As I say no press or by stadium. Ediama this club. A small that is secluded village. And one a team no war in Punu Fidelity. And on mobile Western region 2 seasons the first season they lost the final to Wise. Then they saw Marshall Best Paradise or more qualified to the Division 1. Congrats to them.
Apostle.
Well, I've heard arguments. Miankasa Mia has been expressed. First of all, Asante Kodoko cannot prevent any player from traveling or join the Black Stars.
Okay.
When you don't understand club attitude, you can't. Kwame Poku Sebi, this opportunity of playing a Unity Cup is a call-up appearance that is appreciating his value as a player to his national team. You can't do anything, you can't prevail upon him. He will do that, he will go. It's about him. He's going to have a free visa to London. Secondly, the appearance, number of appearances for a national team are very critical for players, especially your national team as Sebiu, Senyan and Sen, balancing act, debit credit for collapse. Local players are difficult for them to be called up. A rare opportunity for him. So you can't prevent him. You can't. Even when you're on the verge of winning the league, you can't. Just a player, no one cannot jitum. But so jitum won't be because our opportunity, you know, the platform is big. Unim agent unim ekwan be biama no kese. Maybe I'm listening to Daniel 25,000 renewal renew. He went to TP Mazembe, he was making $10,000 a month. So please, I've heard a lot of commentary. It's a joke. You can't. So prevailing, Mr. Chairman, I prevail upon Clotte, sir. Men call $1 million. Trainer me Champions League. I didn't know he started paying me in dollars. A man no car from his garage. And a boy no train after the champ. So there are prevailing circumstances or the to play and conditions are so G2 would are fine. So please don't ever blame only you don't understand the situation players no fame for this opportunity. I rare.
The entire supporters they say they are more can say as on any interest no than the club because the club is in a crucial moment at this material time.
Between Kotoko and Nation, who won the Ben League?
Oh, a Nation.
Who is the best centre back for Nation? And Nontina Sebe Semne Abentia. It's insulting if you're going to support him. It's insulting. This is a club that loses 7 players in a cup champion and get bench players to go and play. It's because you don't have quality in depth. RS Bekane born Sumala CDB of revenge never me wa and Obeshe fantastic. So you need to have quality. Se Kwame Poku sebe o nipa otimi pra otimi yare me boa. How about so yare wo pass so be fan referee pano so aba so bebo. Is that a common sense we are applying? Please, let's also respect why the club has right. Player knows what he rights as well. And it's a plus to even a club that you have opportunity of having a player there. Who expect so much from the player? Kakra no so be fast way you don't want that. Now they may Grace so be timi amame baby ana supporter na ehuri kotoko na bibi any go start. You see, and che we be here dede in this country about provision of security. Wait, one a breach of security, a disregard for MRA, and then whoever is the commander for the troops there should be questioned. That this young man and Kaiso he should be arrested.
We free in a perimeter. So
I feel my assembly they be about your stadium policing. Me, I'm against police for a vicinity. Because they know him. That has been the problem in police in Bebre. And you also are because they know him. Me cry the police pen cry be analyze be a boy no. Anything I never know how our system operates. So I always encourage that police people should be taken from other jurisdictions and brought here. When we are form of Yamu by Fufro into Onimu, into we are now watch you. Now the Mrana Ejuma. But for the little that Nancy Pole we are Dede and the match involves Kotoko again. And look at what this person has done. Oko Hui Naibian in 9 war and count him say assembly bring baba. Why do our security personnel continuously keep on doing this? As if they don't care. Assemba now long talk any committees IGP beba IGP bar former IGP bar echo your friends started look at what is happening. What have we learned from this?
Apostle Medase. One become.
So you see, very important we understand it. A coach of a national team, for instance, Okobo friendlies are now matches here. He has the right to choose any kind of player. He doesn't need to choose players who are going to play for his next available game. It is very important we get that. Maybe in this country, coaches, Okobo work at qualified, friend is Yakobo, they pick players maybe next year and next 2 years, or per se they observe you. Me against is the principle I'm establishing. And for the players that have been called, I have issues with it. But per se me establish our principle is a coach. Or better me invite Ember. Ember has to speak on your national team. But what you be observe of also of interest. And so from now be child share. But you will be on monitor for some time. Or be some more opportunity be the say now they are show ye. But not the players that I'm selected. I'm just establishing the principle that the coach can do that on the evidence of players or monitor. Senebea, in the near future, he can invite you based on the conclusion what technically about the performance. But after these players have my own issue. But I'm talking about the principle. Say coach no better me invite any player he wants when he's observing you, not necessarily for other matches. Because these are the only opportunities such fringe players, no. Friendly matches guy a whole year, 75 friendly match guy. You have a pool of players, maybe 1,800 you want to select from. But for these players there, well, say your coach knows so or full say or him
well, Lanka for the benefit of education, one say after polio, you know. Also, almost security protocols be at the Benanka me Panaya. But anyway, Yama Ghana from me.
The Omodi hear me. It was they were strict and aftermath.
After
Prince.
We ne Babonte, the first game, many friends in a call.
They may form up.
But the Omodi firm, we were expecting to see a bit who far more than that up to now. But if we that first day and one,
something years. Yeah, they are there back.
Yeah, for
I sat here and said the way it's not sustainable. I said it.
Oh yeah.
Me can say it's not sustainable.
Yama Ghana for sombrem na yentie for so the amu waka a free amanoni season abana wiye edibesi Ghana Premier League. Say don't wanna GD say over for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and other issues I hear doing come 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931. First caller on the line. Hello, good morning. Good morning, sir. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Boss, when no way to the papa peja munimu kakramam why?
Premier League, you know, press 11 near the Africa team performance. We need to go and and the blaster pump you mean so much blaster. And you look at good and the press number 1 and my blaster. What you are doing? It's just a minute and not your document and to go to coaching number so. I don't know what if I come from the media man. And so let's go there, and I said, the Kenya Renia, Omako to go in, and the woman and myself, my idea to 1.3 or whatever. You are some to do good, but you have back enough time because we didn't want enough time. I bet you never go anymore. But the project you don't want.
Mr. Medasipa, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Ember Guda.
Hey, Jam School Guda.
A great Ember Guda.
Jam School. Long time, bro.
Ember, I mean, chairman and board, opposing to my channel. Remember, the boys Nabasu, the other technical team Nabasu, because league now is starting here. No, they are quite just as possible. Boys, I league noon. Boys, I chama, competitors. A bra, I am a red card. I tell Kuya, Yanipa, and Yashi, a checkpoint are more. Fine, you see, Yashi, you hold it. One more, we have black with some of the GFC. So we shall go on G. Obama, you look at your first two. The show I want G. The two quiet place are for D. As the course goes, when the place I told me, I found out what day. It's not for training. You have 40 car. It's a couple of years. That's my. I should have just like was 1 G. Over cut it. Yeah. The city, Jeben. You can't say because it's about violence. And who said this year? Well, you are better league in the and yet another offense and you're not holding on GGA. GFA, and you left now one amanati. A GFA, a fire factor can look at.
That's
it for Sakaya, wouldn't think I see our racing. They were racing. They can say, the boy, oh my, your man could they be and a chicken, the nation idea, every year. No more holding over the year. And the fact that the beginning of the young man holding, they give a 3 points over that corner. I don't mind legal.
Miss Medasa, James Corono will be a better league in the Biana holding on the Asumu. Next caller, good morning.
Hello, Ember 1.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro. Pacho, we didn't maybe our free. Baba Pacho Enque.
Yeah, the party is my father for my. Now, we have some people in the middle of our power. And command and command of national pole. The national pole, you have the best. Yeah. There's a opportunity to have for anymore. We have Africa. Africa, open your opportunity as a crowd. We're going to open your opportunity to grab. Other things which we have found. I am what you call it. It's not what I was not done. What about it? Imagine we are the market.
Mr. Medasipa, I am fire next one. Good morning, sir. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, boss. Mpacho, we didn't maybe our free last caller.
But maybe I see the because of the Western region.
Western region, Clubenso, I see you. Wasamampon, young quay.
But you and your bona, yes, will begin. I'm going to finish it at my yard. You can't get a home, working from there. Oh, you will pull me. Because we are we. You know, why situation now? A car board that we do, not a magic. Now, over distracting, you're making an enemy. Yeah, against the protocol. And so, what you say, there is no one now, where we are. Yeah, generation is not good because on the way this one is a skin of our bay. It's here for bay. On all financing. On the way side, and don't go that I'm to say. A good. Yeah, at the time of Budia, or Koyama, a friend, carrying you, or didn't call you outside, carrying you to Dinka, or Korea. Than one issue. And outside, I think, your friend, EPR, another chapter, if he's a movie,
That's it. Pa, I didn't know. Yatiase, the point I also make. Young far afraid for so dear no in Siwana. Obapa, boy, na fi yanko your birthday, so wrap it up. Your bay ene eye na woda edu kwache uko school wo Endor International School e Kumasi ya ene eye wa woda ene ena wenya 7 years. Happy birthday enkomao efiri umame Francisca Kobina ene o grandpa wonana ena omosi emfa platform we so na ema happy birthday. Next year Emilia Rekon Brobe Emilia Anfe Emilia ene eyenuaba Emilia Brobe birthday. Happy birthday, a gorgeous one. May you live to glorify your maker. Mami Oti birthday no and so honey ninkomo the same Kelvin and na ose yemfa platform we so na ye wishi yenua Oti wo kwada so nsuom eho na wo. Happy birthday to you Oti as you celebrate your day. Erade mo ho ban Olivia Asmeni Mensa aka Kizi ene eyo birthday yenua Olivia enso ewa atonsu. Happy birthday enkomao from Philip Nkumsa ana na down for now wo atonsu oba enche unya down for atonsu. Happy birthday enkomao. Another one and the final one to yenua Sandra all the way from Doma Ahinkru from Nana Safo Kantanka Saforo ano say yemfa platform we so na yenwishe Sandra Awodapa fantastic one. Happy birthday and come on dear. On this note, you draw the curtains down on today's show. Within the Ember Power, on behalf of the entire sports team, the General Apostle to Sir Prince, Philip Nkumsa, Orlando, and Mr. Wack from MCR, Obapa, Greece, and the team Ningna, Majorobia Nemu, Edamase, what they are washing away who be a free 9:30, Edibisi Samri. They are washing away, Urade, and so on. Echina. Ye besanso ediesia ye sorry midday news no eba enu echi no hinini ba betwa so na de aka ni na so atoato so yakro bibia bye bye.